So Bigfoot Networks, besides releasing a new killer Nick over the last couple days, also released an update to the killer Xeno Pro. So they've given their whole new software suite to existing Xeno Pro users, and I just wanted to take a quick look at what they've enabled on the Xeno Pro. So you can see that it's got a far more complicated console now. And okay, we've got a PC monitor where it shows me the I can view any number of things. I can view pings, I can view how much of my processor is being used. So right now I'm actually rendering video, so it's pegged at around 40-45%, which is because Windows Live Movie Maker can only use up to, I believe it's 4 threads, and this is a 12-thread CPU. I can see how much of my networking processing unit is being used. Right now, very, very little. I can also check my internet bandwidth, regular and offloaded bandwidth. Whatever that means, I am not entirely sure. Okay, I can see my current system memory usage, which is pegged at about 30%. And then I can see my current frames per second, which would only be valid if you're doing something that actually measures frames per second. In this case, probably rendering video. Yeah, you can see I got fraps going there as well. Okay, and then what else do we got? Ping. Okay, we already showed that. Okay. I'll get to that one after. Then we've got network, so you can manually set the stats for your network. In this case, you're having trouble seeing it because those boxes are whited out and my camera's being stupid. Let's see if it'll focus for me here. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. I wonder if it'll let me manually adjust the exposure here. Bear with me, I'm sorry about this. Yeah, there we go. Okay, there. Okay, so there we go. So I've set it to 40 kilobytes per second upload and 1,800 kilobytes per second download. So you can actually, this is kind of cool because by default it was set so that you had to do it in bits, and I was like, yeah, I don't really know what my connection is in bits. So if you go into advanced, you can actually set all of the bandwidth units, as well as you can enable or disable things like the LED glow on the card, the default priority for applications, and then this is the cool one. Okay, so this feature is a lifesaver for me because I have more than one PC on the home network, and whenever I upload YouTube videos, so I'm re-encoding one right now, and I'm also uploading another one about my cats. Whenever I upload YouTube videos, it just kills my network, and I'm too much of a network noob to figure out how to set up quality of service on my router. So here's what I've done instead. I can use this application to manually set how much upload bandwidth I want to Firefox to have access to. So I can just drag this slider one way or another, and I can say, okay, max up to 25 kilobytes per second, max up to 30 kilobytes per second, which is kind of a happy medium. It gives me a decent upload speed, and it also makes it so that all the other computers on my network don't have that really, really slow speed that you get when you have your upload completely saturated. So that's pretty cool, and then you can set all of your other applications in terms of I believe you can set priority as well. Yeah, so there. You've got your priority settings here. You've got whatever allow and block is. Oh yeah, I guess you can block and allow it. And then you can set how much bandwidth they have access to. Very cool feature, and I'll also be having a look at the new Killer 2100 as well in the next little while. So look forward to that. But in the meantime, all Xeno Pro owners do have access to this new application. Very, very cool.